As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Charbroil Grills, the Grill2Go X200, ASINB00BFPM-LI8, and the Pro Series 3-burner, ASINB0CSQD8YR1. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Grill2Go is super portable, right?
Exactly. It's only 20 pounds, meant for tailgating and camping. The Pro Series, on the other hand, is a full-size grill, weighing in at a whopping 162.7 pounds. Definitely not moving that one easily.
Okay, so portability is a huge difference. What about cooking space?
The Grill2Go has a cooking surface of 200 square inches, enough for a few burgers. The Pro Series boasts 412 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a 160 square inch warming rack. That's a big difference.
Wow, yeah, that's a significant jump. And what about the burners?
The Grill2Go is a single burner, putting out 9,500 BTUs. The Pro Series has three main burners, cranking out 38,500 BTUs, plus a side burner.
So more burners, more heat, faster cooking for the Pro Series?
Precisely. Plus, the Pro Series has a modular cooking system. You can switch between grilling and griddling and even charcoal grilling with a separate tray. The Grill2Go is just a grill.
That sounds versatile. What about the cooking technology itself?
Both use Charbroil's amplifier technology, which is supposed to reduce flare-ups and cook food more evenly.
Good to know. How about materials?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel grates and a die-cast firebox. The Pro Series uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates. And it has a steel griddle.
All right. And what about extras?
The Pro Series has an enclosed cabinet for storage and wheels for easier movement, though still heavy. The Grill2Go has carry handles and a latching lid, which makes sense for a portable grill.
So it sounds like it comes down to what you need. Portable and simple, Grill2Go. Big, versatile, and stationary, Pro Series.
Exactly. And the Grill2Go is way cheaper, listed at around $148 compared to the Pro Series at $649.
Thanks for the breakdown. I think I know which one I'd pick now.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.